In this lesson, you will specify project settings that affect heating and cooling, and you will perform a heating and cooling loads analysis. The report, that is the result of this analysis, allows you to determine the heating and cooling demands of the building. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Analysis 02. Let's specify project settings. In the project browser, under Design, expand Spaces and Floor Plans, and double-click the view Level 2 Space Plan. Then click the Manage tab, and from the Project Settings panel, click Project Information. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Energy Analysis, for energy data, click Edit. In the Type Properties dialog, for building type, select School or University. For postal code, type 03101. For location, click inside the value field, and then click Browse. And on the Place tab, select Automatically Adjust Clock for Daylight Savings Changes. Then, on the Weather tab, verify that Use Closest Weather Station, Manchester Airport is selected, and click OK. Back in the Type Properties dialog, click OK twice. Next, we'll verify area and volume settings. Click the Architect tab, and click the Room and Area panel drop-down, and select Area and Volume Computations. In the Area and Volume Computations dialog, on the Computations tab, under Volume Computations, make sure that Area and Volumes is selected, and click OK. Then, zoom into the center area of the building, and select Space Library 219, and right-click, and click Element Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Energy Analysis, verify that Occupiable is selected, and make sure that Condition Type is set to Heated and Cooled. For Space Type, click in the Value field, and then click Browse. In the Space Type Settings dialog, select Library Audio Visual, and click OK. For People, click Edit, and in the People dialog, under Occupancy, for Values, select Specified, then click Area per Person, and enter 50 square feet. And under Heat Gain per Person, for Values, select Specified, and for Sensible, enter 200 BTU. For Latent, enter 150, and click OK. For Electrical Loads, click Edit, and in the Electrical Loads dialog, under Lighting, for Values, select Actual, and under Power, for Values, select Actual, and click OK twice. Then click the Analyze tab, and from the Reports and Schedules panel, click Heating and Cooling Loads. In the Heating and Cooling Loads dialog, click the Details tab, and under To Middle Library, select 219 Library. The information for the space that you entered in the Element Properties dialog displays and can be modified here. Next, to perform a heating and cooling loads analysis, click Calculate. In the Loads report, under the Zone Summary for To Middle Library, click the blue hyperlink for 219 library. When you do, you are taken to the place in the report where the space information is displayed for review. Close the report, and in the Level 2 Space Plan view, select 219 library and go to its instance properties, and under Energy Analysis, review the calculated loads and design loads. Then click OK and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.